here's KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about Korean words that have same sound but have different meanings. Welcome back. My name is In-young. If you're new to the channel, I post videos about Korean language and the culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about Korean words that have the same sound but have different meanings. I know that some of you have struggles to figure out which one is which. So today I'm going to clarify all of this for ge sound. So ge is written as many different ways, and this is pretty common words to use in phrases. So e vowel is kind of tricky because we have two different writings for the same sound e. So I'm going to differentiate those two sounds into o-i or a-i. So we're going to talk about ge, which is a-i first. This ge has commonly two different meanings. I'm going to give you some phrase examples so you can take a guess which ge I'm talking about. 저는 집에 개를 키워요. 저는 집에 개를 키워요. 저는 개와 산책을 했어요. 저는 개와 산책을 했어요. Can you guess? The first one is I raised a dog. 저는 집에 개를 키워요. The second one is I went out to walk with a dog. 저는 개와 산책을 했어요. So you guessed, 개 is dog. But this 개 syllable has another meaning. So you can take a guess. 저는 핸드폰이 두 개 있어요. 저는 핸드폰이 두 개 있어요. 저는 필통이 두 개 있어요. 저는 필통이 두 개 있어요. So this one, the first phrase I mentioned, 저는 핸드폰이 두 개 있어요. I have two cell phones. The second phrase is I have two pencil cases. So this ge is counting unit for general objects. When you're counting objects, we tend to use ge unless it's specified to use another counting unit. So this is a very common one to hear as well. So now we're gonna talk about the other vowel, o-i. This ge has also commonly two different meanings. The first one, ge, I'm going to give you some phrase examples. 지난주에 게를 먹었는데 너무 맛있어. 지난주에 게를 먹었는데 너무 맛있어. 꽃게철이 언제예요? 꽃게철이 언제예요? Can you guess? The first phrase I said, 지난주에 게를 먹었는데 너무 맛있었어. Last week I ate crab. It was so delicious. And the second phrase is 꽃게철이 언제예요? When is the crab season? So 게 has meaning of crab. And then another meaning for 게, 어의 vowel is, you can take a guess. 저는 한국어 공부하는 게 너무 재미있어요. 저는 한국어 공부하는 게 너무 재미있어요. The second example is 저는 노래하는 게 좋아요. 저는 노래하는 게 좋아요. The first one is I really enjoy learning Korean language. 한국어 공부하는 게 너무 재미있어요. In this case, K is comprised of KST plus subject particle. I really like singing. So 노래하는 게. Also, 노래하다 is a verb to sing. Make it into an adjective 노래하는. And adding 거 becomes subject noun. 저는 노래하는 게 좋아요. This is commonly used when you're trying to make a verb into a noun. But in this case, we are talking about 게 as subject noun with subject particle. To recap about what we studied today, the first 개 is eyeball, has two meanings. The first one is dog, the second one is counting unit for object. Second 개 is with eyeball. The first meaning for 개 is crab, and second meaning for 개 is thing with subject particle. I hope this video has been useful to you guys. If you got some value out of this, make sure to click like button and also write what you learned in the comment section to share with others. If you're learning Korean verbs, make sure to click the first link in the description down below. This is about Korean 245 verbs conjugated from dictionary form to present, past, and future tense. I hope you enjoy this list, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!